Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I have not posted since December, I want to say. So it's been a long time coming, but I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be shopping, decorating, cooking, and stuff like that. So basically like a fall day in the life is what I'm going to be doing in this video. So I hope you guys stay tuned, watch the video all the way through. And I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm at Walmart right now, and I'm going to ride by just to see if they have any mums that are bloomed and ready before I decide to go in. I also need to get something to cook tonight. And it'll be best if I do it now, but I don't know what I want to cook. Am I the only one that's struggling here with what to cook every day? Because like I'm tired of eating the same stuff over and over. I'm sick of it. Like I make spaghetti all the time. It's just I mean the only options is seafood, which is fish, shrimp, chicken, pork, and beef. And after a while, it's like you get tired of eating that every week. I just don't know what to do. And then I see ingredients and recipes and then I see recipes on TikTok and Facebook and stuff, and then I'm scared to try it out because what if it's nasty and then I don't like it and then I don't have nothing to eat? So, am I the only one that struggles like that? Let me know, y'all. Let me know in the comments down below if I'm the only one that's struggling on what to cook every day. Because I don't know. But what I'm going to cook tomorrow? Do I need to get what I need to cook for tomorrow as well? I don't know, y'all. We're at Walmart. Y'all, we need toothpaste, but we want like a white one. That's going to help whiten teeth. I don't know if I should get this one. I got this one. I got that one. I got this. It's expensive. I'm scared to try this. I wish they had a travel size. Oh. Got the Christmas trees out. Ooh. I need a new Christmas tree. I need like I got a 7.5. I need like a 9-foot tree. This is 7.5. 186, not too bad. Should I get one of these for the yard? Huh. Maybe a little small one like this. Ooh, this is cute. Little fountain. Hello, kitty. Alright, let's go look at the moms. So I should get like a yellow or like an orange. You know what I need? Hold on. Ooh, these orange ones are so pretty. I wonder how much. I don't have a base for this. This one comes with the vase. Maybe I should get this. This one's 12. This one's not fully bloomed. I don't want it fully bloomed with the vase. Alright guys, so this is my porch for fall. I need a new rug, but I can't find a fall rug nowhere. This is my garden. This one has grown so beautifully. I started my garden in April, and it's everything else. This is taking slow to grow, but I had plants right here and here, and it did not last. So get my mommy now. It smells so good. That's pretty. I wanted an orange one, but that's pretty. Alright guys, I did my fall decor off camera. Pretty much the same as last year, except I just switched a few things out so it can look different. I did not buy any new fall decor this year because we are on a budget, and it's just, I don't need all that decor. I already have to get a storage unit to store my decor in. So purchasing all that extra stuff when I got stuff already, maybe within another year or two, maybe next year or the year after, I'll buy some more stuff. But we're gonna use what we got, because what's the point of buying all that new stuff, right? So this is my entertainment center for fall. And then this is my dining table, which I think I've had this set up before. I need to find my other pillow cover. I don't know where it's at. I gotta look for it so I can put my pillows in here. And then my house needs to be cleaned up right now. And then I just use this little vase. I don't know if I want to add my brown swivel and add this on here with something else, or just leave it like this, because I do a lot of baking, and so it's just too big to be moving that back and forth. So I don't know yet, y'all. I might add the swivel in the corner and decorate it. I don't know, but we'll see. But I'm getting ready to cook and clean up, and I'm going to finish decorating my kitchen for fall, so you guys get to see that. You guys, I just wanted to talk to y'all and kind of bring up why I've been gone for a while. It's just life has been happening. Um, you know, it's been almost a year, or maybe like 9 months, almost a year since I've been on here. And, you know, I just been going through some things. My family and me, we're okay. It's just life, you know, we're going through life things that normal people go through. Um, you know, this year I've been through a lot. There were days that I didn't understand what God was doing, but now that I'm looking back, I see that He was protecting me. He wasn't punishing me, and I had to learn to release control and just let Him heal places that I didn't even know were hurting. So I just want to let you guys know that if you're in a season where it feels like everything is falling apart,